Hi there my lovelies, this is Jana here, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make something so nice, something that is so simple. It's some sort of a fridge foraging kind of recipe because you probably already have everything in hand to make this dish. Perhaps you're not going to have the sausage, but I'm going to teach you how to make it and it's so easy. So let's start with the recipe. But before, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video, and let's go. So we start by, like I said, well, I'm going to teach you how to make a sausage. I have already actually taught you, so you're going to click over there, and because it's going to head you to one of my videos. And this is by far the best recipe for it's not a sausage, it's like a Italian sausage slash chorizo, something like that. So that's what I'm going to use. Apart from that, we're going to start by frying some potatoes. We're going to make fried potatoes just because this dish is a little bit rich, and fried potatoes is the best option. Fried my potatoes in olive oil, but you don't have to if you don't want to. It tastes a little bit better, I think, with a lot better with olive oil, but if you don't want to, that doesn't matter. You can skip that and fry it with regular oil. And then you set it aside, and now we're going to start making the dish itself. Now we're going to put everything together, right? You take your sausages, you slice them, and then you shallow fry them in a little bit of oil and reserve, okay? Or you can fry them whole and then slice them into slices, totally up to you. And then we're going to fry some onions. I have sliced the onions a little bit bigger because I love when they're like that, a little bit longer and a little bit because they will remain a little bit crunchy at the end, and I prefer this way. But if you want to cut them smaller, totally up to you. Along with that, we're going to add garlic whole and 2 bay leaves. And once you see that the onions are golden brown, we're going to add some good quality dry red wine. Now the red wine that I have used here is Chardonnay, because I think it matches better this dish. Some of you guys ask me what kind of wine. I actually use the specific kind of wine. I like the Chardonnay better because it's a little bit oily as opposed to, for example, Sauvignon Blanc, that it's a little bit more mineral. So I think that it goes along better with this dish. But if you can get your hands on a Chardonnay, what doesn't matter. If it's good quality and dry and white, you can use it. And now we're going to add the fried potatoes. And in a glass, we're going to add some water, some cornstarch, and some vegetable bouillon. And we're going to incorporate it to the dish. Don't do it like me. Don't forget the salt and pepper. I have added at the end, by the way. So now, last thing, we're going to add the fried or the grilled sausages. I don't want the sausages to cook in this broth, okay? I don't want this to happen because I want the sausages, number one, I want them crispy and I want them not soggy or anything. And the other thing is that I want the sausages to keep all the flavors inside. And especially if the sausages were made with vital wheat gluten flour. I have talked to you guys a lot about this, that we never simmer any fake meat or any sausages, vegan sausages made with vital wheat gluten flour, because it tends to spread that gluten flavor to the food. And if you add it at the end, once it's pan seared, then it's perfect. And that's exactly what we did here. So this dish is by far the easiest one that I have made on this channel, I think. I keep saying that, but yeah, okay, it's the top 5 at least. So this is it, and then you just serve it, and it is beautiful. So here I have my, oh, this is a Spanish dish, by the way. I forgot to mention, this is Spanish. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, if you're Spanish and you know that. It's from Murcia, if I'm not mistaken, or Valencia. Totally different regions, but I forgot. Please let me know in the comments below where this dish is from. And make it, apart from that, please make it, you're going to love it. I advertise because it's true. It's super delicious. And you can have that with just with a bread, like a simple bread or a salad, or just by itself because it's delicious, or it can be a starter. So what's not to like? Again, what's not to like, right? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. Subscribe to my website, because over there's a cookbook for you if you subscribe, with very nice recipes for a weekday. So if you're in a hurry, you can put it together in no time, because this is how we roll on this channel. We don't like complications, but we like deliciousness, don't we? If you make this dish, please tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Follow me on my social media, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.